What's up, guys? We back with another one, another sunroof install with the Titan window, all the way from Chucotown, El Paso, Texas. We got another cat eyes. We're gonna be doing, like I said, a Titan window and a sunroof weld on. No painting on top. We'll just leave a little bit primered on top. Let's check it out. It's a clean ass truck. SS. This thing's clean. We're gonna go ahead and put some black suede. We're gonna black all this out. We'll leave this brown, and we'll leave that brown to match the ones in the back, and we'll black everything out on top. This thing's clean. Nice. I need one of these, but boosted. Alright, guys. Check it out. Alright, we're going to start with the sunroof. We'll leave the Titan window towards the very end. Keep an eye out for this video. I've been working on this. The homie Jesus from Roswell. We're doing some bags. Did the seat mounts, the bracing. We're going to do a 4-link on it. But keep an eye out for this one. But here's the SS. I'm going to go ahead and turn it around. And then we'll get some measurements and start the process. You guys already know. Alright, guys, we got the hole cut out. We're gonna put our bracket in, make sure everything lines up with our tapes, and then go ahead and start tack welding it. Alright, guys, bracket is welded in, tacked weld all the way around. We're gonna go ahead and start grinding these welds off so they're flat, so we can do our body work. Block it off, body work, primer, 3 coats of primer, and then we'll be ready to install the sunroof and then start the inside. Like I said, we still got the Titan window to do. I'm gonna leave that towards the end. Alright, guys, got the back window out. I gotta clean up all the old urethane here, getting it prepped for the cutout, and I'm waiting on the body work to cure up so I can block it off and prime it. Then we can install the sunroof, be done with the top, and then we'll start the Titan window. Alright, guys, we got the inside cut out. I do spray it, cover up all the bare metal so there's getting no rust. Looks good. Now we're gonna install the window, make sure everything looks good before we glue it in place. Alright, guys, Titan windows in. I got the bottom part braced up because I do use the factory studs to bolt on. Gives it a real nice tight and seal from right here all the way up, all the way around. It doesn't have the studs on the bottom, so I clamp it on, making sure it's a nice tight seal and no leakage. Here's the top body work. Finalizing, blocked it, small pinholes popped up, so I'm gonna go ahead and sand that down and spray some 2K primer on it, and then spray some guide coat, and then I'm gonna go ahead and block it one more time, make sure everything is flat, and then go ahead and prime it one last time, and then shoot some guide coat over it and leave it as is. Like I said, we're not painting the roof on this one. Tight windows in, nice clean. Seal all the way around. We do have some some glue out. So I'm gonna do is let it dry, give it about a couple hours, and then I'll go ahead and peel that off, and that will come right off nice and clean, so it gets a nice clean line like this, just like factory. All right, guys, we're almost there. I ran the wires already for the Titan window regulator. I'm gonna go ahead and start wiring up the button. So by the time this dries, I'm gonna 2K that, finish that off, put the sunroof in, start running the drain pipes. That'll be done, and we'll start with the headliner. We're gonna install the sunroof, and then we'll start installing the drain pipes and start wiring it up. Alright guys, we got the headliner wrapped. Black suede. Looks good. Does have the cutout already for the sunroof. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap that in like I usually do. I'll wrap that inside the truck so I can cut it perfectly around the sunroof base and then go from there. Have the cutout for the button. Let's go ahead and install it. Put all the clips and the visors. I still have all this to paint. I need to spray all this black it all out. And then once this is done, I'll wrap the headliner to the sunroof. The sunroof will be 100% complete, as you can see. Looking good. We'll have the sunroof 100% complete, and then we'll go ahead and remove those clamps for the glue for the Titan window, and then we'll go ahead and install the Titan window center glass, my custom kit. If you need a kit, hit me up. I do offer a kit that comes with the rubber seal that goes around the whole glass. Just how I did this one. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. My kit does include this seal. Includes the bracket to hold the regulator. Comes with the universal button. The wiring diagram to how to install the button. I am going to install the button here how I usually do. Comes out nice and clean right there. And with shipping, hit me up. The kit runs $250 shipped out. Comes with all that I just explained. Pretty much you just take your window out, cut the center out how I did, install that. Before you install the window, you install the seal, and go ahead and install everything, and you'll be good to go. Hit me up, email me, Rob's X Customs, customs with a K, Kustoms at yahoo.com, or DM me on Instagram, Facebook, or hit me up on Snapchat. Everything is Rob's Customs. All right, we're gonna install this. All right, guys, sunroof, Titan windows installed. This thing came out badass. Truck looks clean now. It was already clean with the Titan window and the sunroof with the black suede. Just tied it off, made it look even wicked. So let's check it out.